We've all heard about the Toyota Corolla, but have you ever wondered about its humble beginnings? How one of the most iconic names in the global automotive market started its journey? Stay with me and let's unravel the tale. Early years. A young soul named Kiichiro Toyota, born on a sunlit June 11th in 1894. His father, Sakachi Toyota, an engineer, and his mother, Tammy Sahara, welcomed him as their firstborn, setting the stage for a journey that would reshape the world of automobiles. From an early age, Kiichiro's passion for science was undeniable, fueling an insatiable curiosity. This unwavering fascination guided him to Tokyo Imperial University, where he delved into mechanical engineering. In 1920, he emerged with a degree that marked his dedication and triumph in the field. After graduation, he joined his father's company, Toyota Boshoku, known for weaving and machine tools. From 1921 to 1922, Kiichiro traveled to San Francisco, London, and Oldham to learn about the spinning and weaving industry, and then returned from Marseille via Shanghai. But a new fascination was emerging during global travels: automobiles. Diverging from automobiles, Kiichiro introduced the groundbreaking Toyota Automatic Model G loom in 1926. This innovation transformed Japan's weaving industry by halting at the faintest issue. It led to the birth of Toyota Industries Corporation Limited, where his son eventually became a managing director. But Kiichiro's ambitions surpassed fabrics. His bold vision aimed to redefine Japan's fate through automobiles. A journey to Europe and the USA in 1929 solidified his conviction in transformation. Fate intertwined as the loom patent found new owners, the Platt brothers, funding the future of automobiles. Entering the automobile industry. It was 1933 when Toyota Industries Corporation took its first steps into the world of automobile manufacturing. A mere 3 years later, the grand stage acknowledged its potential, designating it a licensed company under the Automotive Manufacturing Act. The curtains unveiled the Model AA sedan in 1936, a creation heavily influenced by the Chrysler DeSoto Airflow, carrying the essence of its contemporary automotive design. In 1937, Toyota Industries Corporation evolved into Toyota Motor Corporation. Kiichiro took up the vice president mantle, leading a path of transformation. Amidst this transformation, World War II cast its shadow, affecting the company and Kiichiro's family alike. Civil upheavals postponed his children's education, propelling the company towards producing trucks for the Imperial Japanese Army. Amid wartime hurdles, resilience emerged. 1947 brought a few cars, including the Toyota SA, echoing dedication. The GHQ's nod to commercial production ignited change, as design work unfolded in 1945, paving the way for the future. January 1947 brought hope, but the car's reception was modest, like an ember awaiting its blaze. Yet, this kindled Toyota's journey, a testament to small beginnings. Fate intertwined challenges and chances. Japanese automakers celebrated the passenger car ban lift, yet economic shifts bred instability. Inflation's hold led to a cash shortage, impacting truck owners. The Bank of Japan stepped in, steadying financial waters, securing stability amid uncertainty. Birth of a legend. In the early 1950s, Toyota emerged from a financial crisis, scaling down by closing factories and releasing employees. The Korean War, coinciding with this period, brought a surprising opportunity. The US Army ordered 1,000 trucks from Toyota due to its proximity to the war zone, significantly boosting the struggling company's operations. In 1950, Toyota's leadership, including Kiichiro's cousin, Eiji Toyota, visited the United States for training at Ford and insights into American manufacturing. This trip led to the inception of the Toyota Way, a new management approach, and the Toyota Production System, a lean manufacturing technique that would redefine Toyota's industry leadership. By 1952, Toyota was developing its first passenger vehicle, the Toyota Crown. Prior to this, Toyota outsourced car body design and production, mounting them on Toyota-made truck frames. This posed a challenge. as they needed to create comfortable bodies and sturdy chassis capable of navigating Japan's rough roads. Tragically, Kiichiro Toyota passed away in 1952 before seeing the Toyota Crown's sales debut. Toyota's evolution in the 1950s and 1960s. IG Toyota assumed leadership, and after strategic developments, the Crown debuted in 1955. It garnered global acclaim, a legacy that today's Toyota luxury vehicles carry. Post-launch, Toyota expanded globally. 1955 marked Land Cruiser knockdown kits to Latin America, followed by full Land Cruisers to the Philippines and Myanmar in 1956. Branches opened in Thailand, 1957, and Australia, 1957, while Brazil housed Toyota's first foreign production facility in 1958. The Land Cruiser, an iconic SUV, needs no introduction, reigning as history's most popular. The 1960s witnessed Japan's economic bloom, christened the Japanese economic miracle. This era saw surging incomes, enabling widespread car ownership. Toyota introduced affordable options like the Corolla, while Japan heavily invested in road infrastructure. The Corolla gained household recognition, a gateway to car ownership. In the 1960s, Japan's auto market slightly embraced foreign makers. Toyota's support extended to fellow Japanese automakers, including stakes in Hino Motors, producers of commercial trucks, buses, and engines, and Daihatsu, crafting Japan's smallest road-legal cars. This partnership marked the genesis of a lasting alliance. The birth of Lexus. The 1980s marked Toyota's ascent. It clinched its first Japanese Quality Award and dabbled in motorsports, excelling in rallies and more. The game changer came with the introduction of Lexus in 1989. Prior to this, Toyota's flagship models, Crown and Century, were limited to Japan. With Lexus, the global luxury market felt Toyota's presence. The LS400 flagship sedan catalyzed this success. Golden years. In 1981, IG Toyota stepped down as president and became chairman. Soichiro Toyota, the founder's son, succeeded him. Within months, Soichiro merged Toyota's production and sales arms, forming Toyota Motor Corporation in 1982. This union was akin to blending oil and water, a challenge Soichiro patiently tackled over years. This effort bore fruit when Toyota and General Motors, GM, joined forces to establish NUMMI in 1984, an innovative plant in California. GM sought Toyota's expertise, while Toyota benefited from GM's insight into the American labor landscape. As the 1990s arrived, Toyota diversified its lineup. Larger vehicles like the T100 pickup, various SUV lines, and the sportier Camry Solara enriched the brand. Iconic sports cars, MR2, Celica, and Supra, revved up the scene. Not only did they offer thrilling drives at an accessible cost, but they also spurred a cultural phenomenon. These cars embedded themselves in the hearts of enthusiasts and popular culture, inspiring films like The Fast and the Furious, and games like Need for Speed Underground. These Toyota legends became eternal symbols of automotive passion. Entering the 21st century. In December 1997, the world saw a remarkable debut: the Toyota Prius, the first mass-produced gasoline-electric hybrid vehicle. After 2 years limited to Japan, it ventured into the global markets. A fresh aesthetic emerged in the 2000s, and Toyota boldly entered Formula One in 2002. Despite initial design criticism, Toyota's resilience shone as these cars proved both robust and popular, soaring in sales. Forbes recognized Toyota, placing it at number 517 among the world's top companies in 2005. The 2007 Toyota Camry earned Motor Trend's Car of the Year title, while the Tundra truck got a revamp. Crisis and challenges. However, challenges loomed. The 2008 global financial crisis hit Toyota, forcing its first annual loss prediction in 7 decades. This led to temporary plant shutdowns and recalls from 2009 to 2011 due to unintended acceleration incidents. Toyota faced lawsuits, compensating for personal injuries, wrongful deaths, and more. Amid this turmoil, Katsuaki Watanabe stepped down as president in 2009, succeeded by Akio Toyoda, grandson of founder Kiichiro Toyoda. Akio had joined Toyota in 1984, accumulating experience in production, marketing, and product development. He encountered a new challenge as natural disasters, 2011's Tohoku earthquake and Thai floods, disrupted the supplier base, impacting production. 2010 onwards. Despite temporary setbacks, Toyota's journey of resilience unfolded. With 5.1 million vehicles sold in the first half of 2014, a 3.8% rise over 2013, Toyota outpaced global sales, narrowly surpassing Volkswagen AG. These successes fueled investments in hybrid powertrains and eventually EVs, driving innovation. Toyota's triumphs extended beyond vehicles. In 2016, they acquired Daihatsu's assets, making it a subsidiary and expanding into new market segments, including the kei car category. Redesigning iconic models like Corolla, Crown, Prius, and Camry, Toyota delighted customers. Deep investments in hydrogen fuel cell research birthed the Mirai, challenging prevailing norms and proving its worth. Not one to lag behind, Toyota embraced advanced technologies, including autonomous driving. Their enduring reputation for quality, affordability, and durability shines across global markets, captivating Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, and North America. Toyota's iconic journey stays true to its roots. The original Loom company lives on, a testament to enduring success. As we wrap up for today, I trust you found this video insightful and valuable for your understanding. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and suggest which company you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay well and take care.